How to fix missing textures in mesh input in Unreal Engine 5. And first, I have downloaded these characters from Sketchfab, so also you can download it. And next, I will drag these characters into here. And here is import setting. I will set it to the default setting. I don't change anything, so import it. And yeah, you can see our material, just the white colors material is nothing textures, so I will fix it. And next, I will just list all of the textures into the Unreal Engine 5. And I will just do the same folder because I think it's faster to find the same name. And I open this material. And then next, I will find these materials textures. So I will type this materials name. And yeah, here have 3 textures. So I will drag these textures into here. And I just connect to the normal node and roughness node. And sometimes you need to change this blend mode. And next, I'm gonna show you the same thing. And I times this texture's name. I will select all of the texture and drag to here. And this one is base color. And I will connect to base color. And this one is here. And I just connect all of the textures. Yeah, apply it and save it. And the next step is all the same thing, so I scale it up. And yeah, I have set all of the material. That's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you learn my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.